Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the jet and bringing the avionics up. This readies the radar processors. Once done, switch the radar master on and choose an initial mode like RWS so you get immediate returns. This gives situational awareness. Next, set range and antenna elevation to match expected target altitude and distance, because correct range prevents clutter and mistracks. Finally, confirm TID contacts and IFF responses so you know the system is healthy before engaging search patterns. You now refine detection. Pick a scan width and range appropriate to the scenario. Narrow scans give better range performance while wide scans increase coverage. Once you detect contacts, enable TWS to maintain multiple tracks. This saves you manual relocking. When you need a precise firing solution, transition to single target track. Use SDT to lock and let the radar compute intercept data. Along the way, manually slew the antenna to clean up a track or to boresight a radar return if the automatic track wobbles. You conclude by selecting the appropriate weapon and arming the system. Verify the radar-provided intercept queue and that the target is within the missile envelope. Pull the trigger only when lock indicators and lead cues are steady. After launch, immediately assess for splash or reacquire surviving tracks so you can continue the fight. If the radar fails to show contacts or shows ghost returns, cycle the radar master, tweak gain and clutter filters, and check avionics breakers. This simple troubleshooting often restores functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.